Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, mag-unbox tayo nitong Western Digital My Passport external hard drive. Now, itong si Western Digital My Passport ay may iba't ibang kulay na pwede niyong pagpilian. Meron silang blue, red, orange, yellow, and black color from 1 terabyte to 4 terabytes. So what I have here is yung 2 terabyte in black color. And guys, as you can see sa harap ng box na ito, makikita natin na may auto backup at password protection na siya. And sa likod naman ng box, dito natin makikita yung contents and compatibility. Ang laman ng box na ito guys ay may isang hard drive, isang USB 3.0 na cable at isang quick install guide. Now for compatibility naman guys, compatible siya for Windows 10, 8.1 and 7. Now, check natin guys kung kumpleto lahat ng laman ng box na ito. Okay? So, buksan na natin. Okay, so ito yung itsura guys sa loob. Naka-sealed siya sa plastic. Okay, bubuksan ko na. And ito yung laman. May isang hard drive. Check. Black ang color. And ito yung quick install guide na hindi naman natin binabasa. Okay. Check. And the USB 3.0 cable. Yan. Ito yung itsura niya guys. So yes, kompleto naman lahat ng contents. So buksan natin itong hard drive na naka-plastic pa. Okay. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo guys, ang color sa taas ay medyo glossy ang finish niya, and yung sa baba naman medyo matte finish naman siya. And for the price guys, nabili namin siya sa SM sa halagang 5,000 pesos. And we haven't tested the performance of the drive yet, but if you want, we can do a full review on my next vlog. So just comment down below if gusto nyong magawa ko ng review ng performance ng external drive na ito guys, no? And by the way guys, merong freebie si SM. Kung sa SM kayo bibili, meron siyang freebie na ito guys, isang lalagyan ng external hard drive. So shout out to SM, no? Thank you sa freebie na ito. Okay, so yes, thank you for watching guys, and just comment down below for your suggestions. And if you want me to do a full review, just comment down below as well. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye for now.